Welcome back, everyone. I am so pumped to see where we go next week. Hopefully, you are too, XRP Army. If you're with me on this journey, hit that like button. Let's get the message out. Over 1,000 likes on this video. And of course, if you're not subscribed to the channel, do that. Hit the sub button. It doesn't cost you anything. And I'm going to bring you the best technicals out there, bar none. Pure fire. We've been nailing it. I'm going to give you the update to today, where we're heading for the next week, what you need to know before we get there, and we'll see. I got a little bit of moths flying out of the old wallet, if you know what I'm talking about, and the trolls downstream from the sanitation plant eating that dry cat food with that chunky gravy coming out of the water. Oh, a little bit extra salt and pepper in that, and folks, it's not chunky gravy they're dishing on top of there. Hey, let's start with some positivity. I got some shout outs I want to do to the Discord because it was a good week, man. You guys watched me live make $70,000 over the last week. We're going to see if we can repeat that or do even better if crypto continues to run. If it peters out and we don't got the juice to push this over the top, then I got to wait till October. Either way, I'm pretty happy with what's going on. Shout out James, let's go. Big said in the house. Chris, let's go. I love seeing it. Crystal with another win. Arkansas dog. Of course, 808 Tensei, one of our experts in there. You guys get access as an earner tier. Taxman in the house. Of course, Kuga, let's go. The dog dropping more wins. RJB, the dog. We got Wired Stealth in the house. Swisher Sweets dropping the win. R Cube Front and Options, another one of our expert traders. And myself in there. So we have a lot of us in there dropping some wins. If you guys have not done it, get over there. And more importantly, folks, this is a big one. Now, I don't usually do this, but I got to tell you, Moo stepped it up. Now, you guys know I work with Moo, and of course, you can see that here. But look what they got right here, all right? So if you use that first link, and this is only for a couple of days, this is a limited promotion. They said, hey, it's exclusive, all right? This is for you guys. I was like, okay. Right here you go. Deposit 100 or more, 20 bucks, NVIDIA stock, 2,000 or more, the 50 plus 100 in rewards. That's 150. That's like, what is that? 7.5%, and you get an 8.1% APY on uninvested cash. So you guys can see this. You got to use my link down below. It's for a limited time. It is freaking fantastic. I love this. I was happy they did that. I reached out and told them I loved it. First link down below. And that's, so if you got multiple people in the house, you have to use the link though. If you don't use my link, it's exclusive to that. Like I said, 18 or older, you guys can all take advantage. Second link down below does get you into the Discord. Code NEW saves you 50%. It's not automatic. You actually have to put in the code NEW at checkout. On the earner tier, get in there, folks. Take advantage of it. 36 learning lessons, the expert traders, myself, live learning sessions. So much going on. All right. I'm going to just do some technicals here. We're looking at what's going on here. And obviously, we broke that resistance. I told you right here, this is where I liked it. And it ran like a champ since then. But you notice this right here. Oh, look, it's running. Like up, down we go. New higher low. Up we go. Little low right here. Up we go. And you're going to have a little low. People panic on this. I don't even panic. On this. RSI can come down a little bit. That's good. It sets it up for the next leg. We're at 59 on the RSI right now. It's a beautiful spot for the bulls. I love this. And if it comes down and hits the 5 and bounces, or even hits the 13 and bounces, I'll be happy. Now, if it comes down to the 50, I'm not going to be happy. I don't want to worry about this play. So everybody asking me, and a lot of people say, when would you get nervous, Mo? If we confirm below the 50. That's why I don't even want to see it get anywhere near there. Right now, it's a solid bullish motion. We got some good things coming in October. So what I would like to see, we'll see what happens. But what I'd like to see is a beautiful big green candle. We'll see if we get it on Monday. When the markets open on Monday, that's what I'm looking for. All right, so we start out a little red here. At the time of me making this video, it's okay. You can see what happened. What was this? Saturday, we finished okay. And then we start to 8 o'clock at night. It starts the new candle. You can see what happened. We moved down a little bit. Now, we're just basically kind of sideways warnings, I call these, for the bulls. Now, this is good. We'll see how today ends. But what I am looking for is for Monday to come out and just pop. If we continue down Monday, I will be a little concerned, but not until we actually, if we can confirm under the 50, I might have to make some moves. If we bounce off the 13, I'm all right. If we bounce off the 5, I'm even better. All right, if we don't even touch the 5, I'm loving it. At this particular moment in time, we'll do the 4-hour chart. You can see what happened. The RSI got way too high. So for anybody that watches this, and you guys are watching this on the 4-hour candles, you break the Bollinger Band. Oh, wow. And on top of that, not only you break the Bollinger Band, you get all the way up to 75 to 80 on the RSI. It's overbought. It's overbought short term on the 4-hour candle. So I'm watching this thing, watching it come down, watching it come down, watching it come down. And on the 4-hour candle, I'm expecting what? Well, it usually come down about the 50 or the 13. So we're at 57 on the 4-hour candle, or on the 4-hour RSI right now, which is good. It's back into that 50 to 60 range I like. But more importantly, we're at the 13 EMA right here. Look at this right here. We hit the 13 EMA after a big run up. Down we came, hit the 13 EMA, up we go. So now we come down, we hit it here, push back up. Now we're coming down here. What we need on the next 4-hour candle is a beautiful green candle off of this. And I'm not sure if that's going to happen or not, but we will watch this. This is what I'm watching for. This is the boring technical analysis stuff I watch as we go forward. Now, if you go into the hour candle, which, you know, I'm kind of showing you all my little tricks of the trade here I do, it gives you an idea where we're at right now. So as you can see, we had a triple crust here. I expect to come down to the 50. We got close right here. Oh, we broke here, down to the 13. We got close there. Up we go. The RSI's too high. Then we had that big rip down to where we're at now. So when you look at the, and you can see the crossover right here with the 5 and the 13, not good. Right here is where we got to kind of hold on. So you can see that we just started the next hour on this candle. We had a big sell-off down to the 50 EMA. On the hour candle, and it all kind of starts to come together, we want to see a little bit of strength at this moment on this candle to push us back up and then to start the next leg higher. You put it together with the hour candle, we're at the 50 EMA, that's solid. We are a little low on the RSI, so we want to see that bounce up. We don't know. We don't know. But that's how I kind of look at it. And then you can see what's going on with the typical 4-hour candle that just started now. And we're going to see if we can hold this and push back up, or if we're going to continue to have a little bit of selling until we get to Monday. And that's how I kind of watch this. Now, if you look at Bitcoin, I put them all together. Bitcoin, remember, is the big dog. So when I look at Bitcoin, that's kind of leading. If Bitcoin starts to spike, you know, everything kind of follows with it. You can see the big move up, kind of consolidation, big move up, sell down, big move up, sell down. And so I still expect more big moves up until we have new, because you can see it. Look at this, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, wherever this low is, as long as we don't go below there. So if you want a line to watch, this is the one I would watch. If we fail below there, it could be a reversal. So you got this, and this is on the 4-hour. So I'm watching it. We'll see how it goes. So when you go to the daily on this thing, though, holy cow, don't call it a comeback. This thing, so you have this big move up, couple little red days, big move up, a red day, big move up, couple of red days. You hear what I'm saying? There is no big move down, little bit of green, big move down. That's what we've been dealing with for weeks. And now, as you can see, now we're reversing back up. And so that's kind of how I'm playing this. It could come back down, though. So you got to definitely watch it. You don't know. But remember, I've been waiting for October. October is what I've been waiting for. We're not in October yet. And so when I'm dealing with this with the 4 horsemen, I got about 2/3 of my money in. Bought back. We started buying early last week. Now you can see it worked exactly as expected. Now we got to wait and see if this thing gives us some love next week and we start getting a little consolidation, stock mo unicorn, and then takeoff. Or is this going to be a big move up and then a move down? I don't know. We'll see right here if it comes down. I want to look at ETH real quick, and I want to do the daily candles on these. Remember, the weekends are crazy, so you can see the big run up. Weekend comes in, a little bit of volume, just nothing there for volume. Huge volume, hardly anything. So I'm not losing sleep over this on light volume. The bears aren't proving anything to me, hardly any volume at all. A little bit of red. I think what you have is big buying stepping in on the weekdays during the regular hours, and then on the weekends now it's a little bit of the opposite where you see a little bit of selling. The RSI is looking good at 61. We're doing the right thing. It's looking good to me. I think we're going to all-time highs here in the next few weeks. That's my opinion. All right, we go to Solana. That's the other one of the four horsemen in my portfolio. Last but not least, it continues to make me money. It's crazy. Solana has a mind of its own right now. And I'm going to be honest, I didn't even check it today. This is the first time I'm checking it this weekend. And so since it just made me more money. And the only thing I'm ticked about is I only have about 50, 60K in this thing. I wanted to have 100K in it. So I'm a little mad. It is proven that it wants to go back to all-time highs. So we'll see where this goes. But if you guys haven't done it, easiest thing to do, take advantage of that move opportunity. They're exclusive welcome bonus, which is awesome right now. But you got to use my link below. This is limited. What do we got here? I think to the 25th. Yeah, take advantage of this, guys. You can read about it, though. It is an absolute awesome opportunity. Second link down below gets you over here. Earner tier, code NEW, N-E-W. We'll save you 50% off your first month. All right, folks, that's the update for today. I will see you in the Discord.